Get ready, because this is Touchstone, a brand new community in sunny Lakeland, Florida, where affordability meets excitement, convenience, and a lifestyle that just feels right the moment you arrive. This is the kind of place people dream about. A modern home in a peaceful neighborhood close to everything, all at a price that finally makes home ownership possible. Imagine weekends spent by the community pool, mornings relaxing under the cabana, and afternoons at the playground while the kids laugh and explore. This community is a calm retreat you'll love coming home to. Inside, your home is built for how you live. Our homes give you stylish finishes, granite countertops, and included appliances. Yes, even the refrigerator and washer and dryer. So moving in is as easy as unpacking. Open layouts, flexible rooms, lofts, and bright spaces mean your home grows with you. Let's talk about Lakeland, because this city is booming with energy. You're minutes from Lakeside Village for date night dinners, movies, and shopping. Close to downtown Lakeland, where weekend markets, local restaurants, and community events bring everyone together. Nature lover? You've got over 30 lakes, scenic trails, and parks all around you. Perfect for kayaking, fishing, or sunset walks. Need to get somewhere fast? Touchstone is just off US Highway 98, giving you quick access to Tampa, Orlando, and everywhere in between. Commuting, errands, and weekend adventures? Easy. And the best part? Buying a home here is actually simple. We'll walk you through flexible financing options, including down payment programs to help keep your monthly payments comfortable. You'll get clear pricing, no surprises, and a team that keeps you in the loop as your home comes to life, right down to weekly photos and video updates. Touchstone is where affordability meets opportunity, where families grow, neighbors connect, and life just feels easier. Where the best of Lakeland is right outside your door, and the home you've always wanted is finally within reach. This is Touchstone by Ryan Homes. Exciting, connected, affordable, and ready for you.